Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about the soil moisture sensor. We saw how to interface the soil moisture sensor, how to write the code for this, and we also created an alarm system for the user so that if the moisture level is less than a certain level, the system must buzz an alarm for the user. In this video, we are going to make automatic plant watering system for the user so that if the moisture level is less than a certain limit, for example say 30%, so my system must turn on the water pump. It will continue watering the field to reach a certain level of moisture. For example, below 30%, it will turn on the motor, and from 30% to 60%, this will continue watering my field, and after reaching the 60% of the moisture level, my system must turn off the motor. Let's first start writing the code. Let's just like the previous video, here we again need to define a flow type of variable here, and I have to connect a relay as my water pump is of higher voltage. My Arduino is just a controller, it's not a power source. So in type of variable I have to define and relay. For example, say I have connected my relay to pin number 7. In the void setup function, I have to start the serial communication, relay pin as the output pin, and by default this relay must remain off. Now in the loop section, I will be mapping the analog values from the sensor to a range in between 0 to 100%. So now for controlling the water pump, if value is less than 30%, we have to turn on the relay and user message for the user serial.println moisture level less than 30%. In the else part, we have to check if value is greater than 30 and less than 60. This means we have to water the plant in this range of moisture level. Because the motor is already on, we have to print the user message for the serial.println watering the plants, and in the else part we have to turn off the motor, because if the moisture level is less than 30%, we have turned on the motor. If the moisture level is in the range between 30 to 60%, we are watering the plant, and if the moisture level is above say 60%, that is in the else part, I have to turn off the motor. Digital write relay low in message for the user serial.println plant watering is done. Now just compile this code to check for the errors. Okay, we got an error. Here is the error, we forget to include the semicolons. Please take care of these minor changes. Okay, one other else, spelling mistake. Compilation is complete. Now let's look for the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram that you have to make for completing this project. The things that you need to have is one Arduino board, one soil moisture sensor, one relay, one water pump module, and a battery. Because our Arduino is not a power source, it's just a controlling device. So you have to use an external power source. Because you are measuring the moisture level of the soil, so you have to use the moisture sensor, and you are controlling a device which is of higher voltage than 5 volt. So you have to use a relay as a switch here. So this is the basic circuit diagram. What I have done here, I have given the VCC and the ground as per the connection, and I am reading the moisture level from the sensor on pin A0. After giving the VCC and the ground to my relay module, I have connected the signal pin of my relay to pin number 7, and these are the common. This is normally open, and these are the two connections. This is the water pump module. So this is the basic circuit diagram that you need to have, and this is the code for this project. And if you are facing any problem, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching.